Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2008 Harley Davidson Night Train I want to show you. Night Train is a Softail bike. This 2008 model's got the twin cam 96-inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. Comes with forward mount foot controls. Been upgraded with a Screaming Eagle heavy breather intake. Set in a nice Vance & Hines exhaust. It's also got a Saddleman seat on it. Pretty slick with the red flame stitching in there. Got a detachable passenger backrest, luggage rack. There's a little bit of the paint's coming off on the luggage rack. That's just from being used, I'm sure. Got a pretty decent tire on the back too. Avon tire, front and rear, I believe. Blacked out motor. Screaming Eagle plug wires, vivid black. Pullback drag bars, upgraded hand grips. Those are really nice Avon hand grips. A lot of black powder coating on this bike. Good tire up front. Got the smooth rim, the 21-inch rim. It's got 20,873 miles. We ran this bike through our shop and checked it out to make sure it's all good to go for you. 2008 model qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. Like just a little scratch down the side of the dash there. Didn't really see anything I needed to point out to you. No, that just rubbed off. Paint's in nice shape on this bike. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We sell and ship motorcycles all over the planet, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.